How to bring back missing navigation buttons on your Samsung device. What's up everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video where I'm going to show you guys how you can easily bring your navigation buttons like home, recent and back buttons on your Samsung device. As you can see, I do not have those buttons right here. So what you can do here is first open your phone settings. But before we go any further, I want you to head down below to hit like on the video and give our channel a subscribe and then turn on the post notification. Now, once your settings is open, just scroll down until you see your display settings. You want to head over to your display settings. You will see different options like your brightness control, your adaptive brightness, your eye comfort, and everything like that. Now, if you scroll down a bit more, under your edge panels, you will see your navigation bar. Just tap on it. And right now, as you can see, I have my swipe gestures open. I have different options on my gestures, like I can hide the hints. So this little white bar on the bottom, it's now hidden. And I can switch apps when my hint is hidden, or I can turn it off as well. But to get your buttons, you will have to select your navigation button type. So just select your buttons, the first one. And now these navigation buttons will pop up on the bottom side of your screen. You can even change their orientation, like if you want to switch your back button and your recent app buttons, you can switch this one and it will completely flip the back button and the recent app button. And that's how you basically get to your navigation buttons on your Samsung device. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.